Whyte Mackay are a Scotch whisky distiller based in Glasgow, roots dating back to 1844. We've got a global reach, so our products go worldwide. We've got 8 sites from distilling through to bottling and warehousing. We've been dealing with Briggs for around 15 years. We've had several contracts with them, just recently renewed our fleet, but we have a good local service team, but the kind of national strength of Briggs.
So we have 10 FLTs, which basically load, unload and put all our stock away. We have a mechanical PPT, which is a stand-on one. We use that as well for unloading and loading of vehicles. And we have the battery stacker, which allows us to change the batteries. EO's been a partnership in Whyte Mackay for quite a few years now, and all their safety equipment that comes with our products is really good. Obviously it makes the big difference in the warehouse, where the safety is a big thing for us at Whyte Mackay as well.
The site pretty much needs a fleet of 2-ton forklift trucks, which have always been LPG in the past. They've been striving to move electric, and to do that we looked at lithium-ion, we also looked at lead acid. We came up with a solution where we could have battery changeover units, so we have some spare batteries, but we'll also have some park and charge areas because they don't need a full fleet of spare batteries for every machine.
We decided to electrify our fleet here at Whyte Mackay to fit in with our sustainability goals. So a big part of our work is decarbonising our transport on site. So moving to electric forklift trucks really fits in with that. And this is our first site where we've made that transition. So we chose electric forklift trucks because it takes out the need for LPG on site. So it reduces our carbon footprint. We run on green electricity as well, we have done for the last few years. And it also reduces the emissions in the air for the drivers and the workers that are working in the warehouses.
We really approached this with a sort of consultative approach in partnership with Hopica to talk to the customer. Our job was to tell them what they need by listening to their needs. We found an area on the site which was filled with racking and old equipment which they weren't really using, and it was just there for the sake of being there. So after talking to the site, they cleared this area out. We gave them a design for how the battery area should look, and they went ahead and built that. We provided a battery management system and battery changeover equipment, and we also provided some training to help their operators get used to using the equipment before they went fully into using it.
Craig's got a deep knowledge of the site, having worked as a fleet service engineer, and now he's on the commercial side. It was really useful having him when we were speccing our equipment, because he understood our needs just as well as we did.
I think it's been really good to come and speak to Whyte and Mackay around the shared goals. I think that the switch over from LPG to electric obviously has a real positive effect for Whyte and Mackay, and it's been great to be part of that solution. But if you look at also in conversations we've had over the last couple of days around what the sustainability team are doing in Whyte and Mackay around the facilities, that sharing as well, again, when we look at the environmental piece, is hugely important, and the value that we can add at Briggs. I think it's so important that as a business we pull together all the different assets that we have within our business to make sure that we provide the right solution for our customer.